Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this fountain technique meditation to learn how to fulfill all your needs from within so that you need less and less from the outside world. Once you get the hang of this, you'll be amazed how powerful your mind and energy is and how quickly you can change your life just by using this technique. You can practice this on different energies and qualities, but for this session, just start to be aware of the thing that you seek from the outside world the most often. It could be love, safety, approval, or anything else. And if it's a physical thing like money, for example, just be aware of the energy that represents. For example, money could represent safety and security. So be aware of the energy or quality that you seek from the outside world the most often and repeat it to yourself out loud quietly now. And when you feel ready, close your eyes, get into a comfortable, upright but relaxed position where your energy can flow freely throughout your body. And take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, allow your muscles to relax a little bit. And start to imagine as though there's a fountain in your mind's eye within your consciousness. Maybe it's like a waterfall pouring down your head and through your body, or maybe it's a fountain that springs up from within you. Just instinctively notice how this fountain presents itself. And start to imagine as if this fountain is made out of the energy that you've chosen to focus on, that you normally seek from the outside world. But imagine this fountain is within you and made up of this energy. Imagine this fountain has limitless amounts of this energy, and it's starting to gently pour and flow through every cell of your body. Breathe that energy in, allow it to quietly, gently amplify and get stronger with each breath as the fountain flows abundantly. Imagine and feel the energy of that fountain becoming more rich and vibrant and strong as it flows through you and starts to surround you now, allowing and feeling it to flow within you and around your body. Feel it surrounding you and starting to emanate outward further and further, as though this energy cannot even be contained by your immediate surroundings, but it's flowing out of you, rippling as far as you can feel. And you're just relaxing into it, allowing yourself to receive it, allowing it to overflow from you abundantly, limitlessly. Notice what color the energy of this fountain is, and any patterns or rhythms of movement that the energy has. Just notice and enjoy and welcome that energy to flow for another few moments. Imagine and feel yourself easing so deeply into the flow and current of this energy that you're becoming one with this energy, totally connected and absorbed in it with your attention. And notice now, if you think about situations that normally provoke you from the outside to seek this energy from outside you, they might have less of a pull on you than they normally do, because you've started practicing generating this energy from within. Just notice that and sit in the centeredness of that for a moment. Grounding yourself in this inner shift to connect to and generate this limitless energy from within. And if it's useful to you, simply make a mental note to commit from now on. Whenever you remember throughout your day, or whenever you catch yourself seeking it from the outside world, to simply stop, connect to that fountain that's always within you, to breathe and allow that energy to flow through you until you feel it suffusing all the cells of your body and maybe even around you. And just imagine how practicing this simple, effortless technique will allow you to shift within more often and let go of external attachments and patterns that may no longer be serving you, simply by connecting to that inner fountain that's always waiting to provide you that energy from within. It's just waiting for you to connect and open to it. And with that awareness, you might choose to sit and enjoy the flow of that energy from that fountain for another few moments or minutes, and when you feel ready, come back and open your eyes at your own pace, consciously feeling the centeredness in that energy from within, and bringing that connection and awareness back into your day, moment to moment. If you enjoyed this track, I invite you to repeat it until you get the hang of this technique and can do it on your own effortlessly whenever you want. And please feel free to share this session with anyone you think it might be useful to. Thanks so much for taking this time for yourself today, and have an awesome week.